Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom to attend virtual programs at the library. When you register for a virtual program, you will get sent an email with a link to the Zoom meeting. Once you click on that link, it will pop up a message for you to open zoom.us. If this is your first time using Zoom, it will prompt you to download the program and it will walk you through the steps to do so. Please note that Zoom is a free program to download and a free program to use. There is also a Zoom app if you would like to join a Zoom meeting on a tablet, phone, or other mobile device. So we're going to click Open Zoom.us. And it's going to pop up this video preview window. So if you have a webcam, it will show you what your webcam is going to display to the participants in the meeting. And we're going to click Join with Video. This screen is going to pop up to let you know that you are waiting to be admitted into the Zoom meeting. This is a security feature called waiting room so that the host of the meeting can check everyone that is waiting to get into the Zoom meeting for the virtual program. And this is a very normal screen to see. Then it is going to prompt you to connect with computer audio. So you're just going to click on this blue bar. And you're in the meeting. So this big black box is Zoom. You'll see I'm up at the top, and our host, Emily Brown, is right here in the presenter screen. At the bottom, there are a couple of different things that you can use to control your Zoom environment. So there's a mute and unmute button. Please note if you are unmuted, everyone in the Zoom meeting can hear what you're saying. So unless you have a specific question or you're talking directly to someone, it's best practice to stay muted. Also, once the program begins, oftentimes the host will mute everyone in the program except for the presenter. There's also a button to stop your video. So if you click stop video, your webcam will shut off and it will just display your name. And then you just click the button again to restart it. In the top right-hand corner, you can actually change your view. So you can go from like a grid view with all of the participants to a speaker view where all of the participants will be in this top bar and the presenter will be in the like the big bottom bar. There is also a chat down here at the bottom. If you click on chat, if you can't use computer audio or you want to stay muted, you can actually chat. So if you have a question, a comment, you're having some technical difficulties, you can use the chat to communicate with everyone in the Zoom meeting. And then when it is time to leave, there is a leave button in the bottom right-hand corner. If at any point these options disappear, all you have to do is move your mouse or your cursor and they will pop back up for you. If you have any questions, please contact us at the library and we look forward to seeing you at virtual programs.